Hi y'all, so today we are going to be making strawberry jalapeno chicken. Real simple, few ingredients. We got salt, garlic, strawberries, jalapenos, cilantro, olive oil, and of course we have our chicken. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Hi y'all, so we're just going to simply start with just hitting a quick little, just a little bit of garlic, not much, a little bit of salt as well. So we're going to hit our baking dish with just a little bit of olive oil, just to keep the chicken from sticking. Go ahead and place our chicken in. We're putting the side we seasoned down so we can season the top a little bit more as well. Hit that with a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic. We're going to go ahead and cover this. We have our oven preheated to 375. We're going to go ahead and bake this for about 35 to 45 minutes until the chicken is done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Hi y'all, so while our chicken cooks, we're going to go ahead and start preparing our strawberries and our jalapenos. We just want to dice these up. So I'm going to dice up just one package of strawberries. I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so we got all our strawberries diced up. Now we're just going to go ahead and do our jalapenos. So I'm going to go ahead, dice up all my jalapenos, and I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so on medium-high heat, we got a frying pan. We're going to hit that with just a little bit of olive oil. We got about 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos. And we just want to start sauteing these up. Alright, so once our jalapenos have sauteed up, we're going to go ahead, turn this heat down to low. And we got a couple cups of diced strawberries here. We're just going to cook these on a very low heat. Alright, so now our strawberries begin to cook. We got about 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of fresh cilantro. Go ahead and dump that in. And then just on the low heat, medium-low heat, we're just going to let this sit until our chicken is ready to come out of the oven. We got about another 6 minutes before then, give or take. Alright y'all, we're going to turn our burner up to medium-high. We're going to put in 2 cups of water. Get the jalapeno and strawberry juices mixed around a little bit. Then we're going to go ahead. We've pulled our chicken out of the oven. We're going to go ahead and put our chicken in the strawberry jalapeno sauce. We're going to go ahead and cover this. Let it simmer on that medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. Flip it over. Let it simmer for about another 5 to 10. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, there you have it. Strawberry jalapeno chicken. It's a great recipe for the summer, for the spring, for the fall. You can serve it up with whatever you would like. Maybe like a little Hasselback potatoes or something, you know, mashed potato, your favorite veggie, maybe some asparagus, who knows, whatever you like. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.